Hi guys, it's Shriya here and welcome back to my channel Beauty and the Code. आज के वीडियो में I have some new fragrances from Platinum Perfumes. So in case you're new here, I would want to take a moment to introduce to Platinum Perfume Official. They have an Instagram store and they kind of create inspired versions of very expensive designer fragrances at literally 1/10 of the price. So we can kind of call them like an official Indian dupe house. And this is a good gateway if you are looking for experiencing designer fragrances but you do not have the budget for it. Platinum Perfumes is the way to go. So many of you have purchased from Platinum Perfumes on my recommendations, and the kind of positive feedback that I have received, like it feels very nice and it feels like I have done my part when you guys appreciate the fragrances that you got from Platinum Perfumes and you enjoyed using them. And the comment is that I have no need to go and purchase the designer fragrance now, which is costing 10,000, when I can get done in under 1,000 rupees. Like, that is a huge compliment, you guys. I am very happy and I'm very proud introducing Platinum Perfumes to you guys because it's an Indian brand and they are making use of very good quality aroma chemicals. Their perfumes don't smell synthetic, and overall their customer service and everything is very nice. So this is the background of Platinum Perfumes. If you're new here, you may want to go and explore. I will leave all the details of their Instagram as well as their WhatsApp number in the description box below. You can go ahead and check all the details. Now let's get started. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, you hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. Now there are three variants that are available: 10 ml, 30 ml and 50 ml bottles, and I have all three variants available with me. This is the 10 ml bottle, which is priced range of 120 rupees to 150 rupees depending on the variant that you're going for. Then 30 ml bottles, which you can get in the range of 350 or so, and then you have the 50 ml bottles which look like this, and this is priced for around 600 650 or so. Again, depending on the variants, the price may go by 100 or so. So they have their catalogs mentioned on their Instagram store, and also you can ping and ask the prices. Now I want to start off with a banger in this video. I'm going to talk about Magnetism by Escada. Now if you have been following me for a while now, Magnetism by Escada is my signature scent. One of my favorites, one of my signature scents. I've spoken highly about it in so many past videos, but here's the problem. Magnetism by Escada is no more available in India. I've tried to find it so many websites, Shop or Stop, Lifestyle, Nykaa, wherever it is available now. It is at a whopping 6,000 plus. When I had purchased my Magnetism by Escada, it was around the range of 4,000 or even less because I got it at discount. And ever since that, I've never gotten my hands on it. Like 2 times I was able to buy. After that, I just could not find it. And even when one of my friends went to US, she was not able to get it for me. I was so sad by that part. And the moment I saw that Platinum Perfume has released Magnetism by Escada, I wanted to get and try a sample of it. And now that I have a sample of it, and now that I have compared it with the one that I have, I am going to go for a bigger bottle of this. I'm going to order a 50 ml of this. Probably going to order 2 bottles of it because I would need a backup. This is how much I love this perfume. Now, why this is so special to me? This is a fruity fragrance. This is a fruity fragrance which has green nuances to it. Lots of fruitiness, lots of greenness, lots of natural elements meeting up with fruits, and very heavy aromatic nuances to this fragrance. That's what makes this a unique fruity fragrance in my opinion. Now, if I really go by the notes of Magnetism, I will leave the notes on the screen and you'll go crazy reading them. It has literally hundreds of notes present here. Like, I'm not going to go through each and every one of them, but I will leave all the details on the screen for you to check out. It has berries, lychee, pineapple, melon, name of fruit, and it's available there. Lots of green leaves, basil, so many floral elements out here. Then it has like caramel, vanilla, patchouli, musk, sandalwood. Basically any perfume note that is present in Escada Magnetism. This is a perfect cocktail of all the perfume notes that you know. I love this to the T. It's not for everyone because of course the fruity nuts meets a lot of greenness, a lot of aromatics. You really need to like greens in order to like this fragrance. Coming to the performance on this one, it gives me a longevity of 6+ hours with 6 to 7 sprays, and it keeps projecting the whole day. That's the beauty of Platinum perfumes. You'll never get disappointed with the way they work because they have as good as 30% more perfume oil concentration in their perfumes. That's the reason that they are rich, they are performing like beast, and for the price that you're paying, you'll never be disappointed by the way they are performing. The next one that I have is an inspired version of Touch of Pink by Lacoste Fragrances. Now this one is kind of like a citrusy, fruity, powdery, sweet kind of a fragrance. This is also very unique in a way. It has notes of orange, peach, blood orange, coriander and cardamom. The coriander and cardamom makes the difference in this fragrance. It has this very different kind of like distinct spicy opening to it. Then it has again a jasmine mixing up with coriander and cardamom with some violet leaf and carrot seeds. Then has vanilla, musk and sandalwood. So you see the note here of cardamom mixing up with coriander seed, that is so prominent in this perfume. You really need to love those Indian spices for you to appreciate this fragrance. Again, like the performance is just similar to Magnetism. I get around 6 to 8 hours, and also the projection and sillage is loud on this one. It keeps projecting the whole day. The initial first hour is the maximum projection that I get. Next perfume is Mango Skin by Wilhelm Perfumery. Please, I'm apologizing if I am butchering the name. I will leave the details right here. Now this one is your fruity, tropical, sweet fragrance, and this is a very realistic mango along with the mango skin. Like they are not kidding with the name here. The mango skin is very real. The notes in this is mango, blackberry and black pepper mixing up with some orris, jasmine, lotus. Base notes of vanilla, icing pink and patchouli. This is a very realistic mango skin mixing up with mango and some tropical nuances. This is probably not a safe blind buy because if you're expecting this to be very pulpy, mango-y and like a maza fragrance, that's not what this is. It has that distinct bitterness of the mango skin as well, and also has the spiciness of black pepper. So it does have like a nice tropical feel to it. But again, this is something which is not a safe blind buy. The performance and projection, everything is similar to the previous one, 6 to 8 hours with projection for the whole day. The last two that I'm going to talk about are one of my favorite ones to go for. This one is Utopia Vanilla Cocoa, and as the name suggests, this one is inspired by Kayali Utopia Vanilla Cocoa 21 fragrance. This fragrance also the original one I have, and I have compared this with that, and this is almost 95% similar to that perfume, so I am sorted. I'm actually going to finish that one because I've kept that for 2 years and I'm not using it because I was afraid that it will get over. Yeah, Kayali fragrances are 10,000 plus and I cannot seem to afford them. So I'm very happy and thankful to Platinum Perfume for doing their magic. This one is a white floral, coconutty, powdery, sweet vanillic fragrance. It has notes of coconut milk, honeysuckle, pear blossom and Italian lemon. Mid notes of tuberose, jasmine sambac, gardenia and amberette. Base notes of bourbon vanilla, sandalwood, musk and patchouli. So as you can see the notes breakdown, this is such a gorgeous coconutty, milky, creamy, white floral fragrance. I absolutely love this one. This has a nice tropical vacation beach vibe. Literally feels like a sun-drenched, sun-kissed goddess with sand glittering on her skin, and she's just plunging out of the water. She's enjoying her day, and you know, she's surrounded by these coconut trees and this salty air, and just you can imagine that beach vacation at the Andamans and this pure blue water. It literally takes me back to that vacation, so I can imagine I really wish I had this fragrance so that I could take it there. But yeah, this gives a very nice vacation beach vibe. Perfect summer scent, perfect daytime wear. I wear it to office and everyone seems to love it. This is a compliment getter in itself. Again, I get a performance of around 7 to 8 hours with 7 to 8 sprays, and it is a good projecting fragrance, creates a good scent bubble around me, and this is a massive compliment getter. Last perfume is again one of my signature fragrances, and this one is Prada Paradox. Prada Paradox is your citrus meets white florals meets some woodiness meets some sweetness. This one opens up with pear, tangerine and bergamot. That's where all the citrus vibe is coming from. Then has orange blossom, neroli essence, neroli, jasmine sambac. Now neroli gives it a very strong white floral base to the jasmine sambac, and basically jasmine is the star hero of this fragrance. Then it has bourbon vanilla, amber, white musk and benzoin. So some sweetness adding to the white florals is the gorgeous Prada Paradox. This is a perfect formal, semi-formal wear. This is perfect summer wear, perfect daytime wear, all year around daytime wear fragrance. This is literally luxury in a bottle, and if you are into white florals, you just need to try this one. If you don't like very fruity floral, if you don't appreciate gourmands, you like that clean girl vibe, this is the fragrance to go for. Whenever I am getting ready for office, this is the first fragrance that I reach for by default, because this just has a very clean girl vibe to it. It's non-offensive, and when I go to office, I want to smell very clean and fresh. So this is the kind of vibe that this one has. It's a perfect modern fragrance that goes really well with western dresses as well. This performs beast mode. This literally gives me 10+ hours with around 7 to 8 sprays, and this projects the whole day. The wisp is so beautiful and so refreshing, that white florals gushing after 1.5 hours. It's such a, jisko bolte hain na, breath of fresh air. This is that fragrance in a bottle. So those were all the fragrances from Platinum Perfumes. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.